Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be doing a egg growth video, and I'll be using 4 amazing and powerful ingredients. You can easily find them in your kitchen. So this is fenugreek. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed is very amazing when it comes to egg growth. I'll be also be using cloves. This is clove, which is also amazing also when it comes to egg growth. I'll also be taking all, which is about a tablespoon we have there, right? Okay, so I'll also be using rosemary is very powerful when it comes to egg growth. I'll also be using 1 tablespoon of rosemary, which I'll be adding, okay, to the container. And I'll also be making use of green tea. And green tea is also amazing when it comes to egg growth. So right now I will cut it open. You can also use it like that, but I just want to use the leaf itself properly. I want it to infuse properly, all right? But you can also just use the tea bag like that if that is what you want. If you're new here, hello, thank you for clicking to watch this video. In this channel I upload egg growth video tips and tricks that will help you grow your hair at home. Okay, right now what I will do next is I have my water, which I already boiled. Okay, and so I use 1 cup of water. This is it. Right now I'll go in with all the ingredients which I just showed you guys. I'll pour them in and I'll let this cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes I'll come and show you. Make sure to watch till the end. Let me tell you some of the benefits of these amazing ingredients. Let's talk about the benefit of cloves when it comes to egg growth. It helps to promote egg growth. It controls hair loss. It helps to strengthen your hair. Clove is so amazing. It improves blood flow, blood circulation. It helps to add shine to your hair. It gives you healthier scalp. It helps to stimulate hair growth. It contains so many antioxidant properties which are very good when it comes to hair growth. Rosemary water helps to improve blood flow to blood vessels in the scalp. It reduces inflammation. It is very good when it comes to hair growth. Okay, studies have shown that it also increases hair strands. Okay, when you use it effectively. It is so amazing when it comes to hair growth. So guys, let's talk about some of the benefits of fenugreek seeds when it comes to hair growth. It helps to fight against hair loss. It promotes hair growth. It fights against dandruff, premature graying of your hair. It boosts scalp circulation. It boosts your hair growth. It helps to condition your hair, keeps your hair soft. It soothes the scalp inflammation. It is very amazing, guys. It helps to repair damaged hair. It boosts shine. Okay, it helps when it comes to hair growth. It's so amazing. It is a good conditioner that stimulates hair growth and strengthens your hair. I beg you, make it always time. I bring it to your notice. So guys, green tea is so good when it comes to hair growth. It boosts hair growth. It also prevents hair loss. It is so amazing. It fights against dandruff. Green tea seeds are very amazing also when it comes to hair growth. It also fights against inflammation. It suits your scalp. It gives the hair nutrients. It moisturizes the hair. It stimulates hair growth. It has to shine. Okay, it's also good. Okay, it is so good when it comes to fighting against dandruff. It helps to promote blood flow, blood circulation. It strengthens your hair. It contains vitamin B, which is so amazing when it comes to hair growth. So I'll just spray it just the way you're seeing all over my scalp. And another thing I will do is I'm going to make sure I add my oil, because if you don't add oils, it's going to help your hair to dry, because it contains clove. Cloves tend to dry the hair, dry the scalp. This is why you want to always oil your hair. So right now I will go in with some butter and also use my what's it called, this conditioner. Okay, and use my leave-in conditioner, rub it all over my scalp like so, and I'll come in with my butter. Okay, the butter contains oil. You can just use any oil which you have available. Don't forget to subscribe. If you watch up to this point, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. Here I have my homemade DIY butter. I'll just put this one like so, rub it very very well. All right. So after rubbing all this all over my hair, what I'll do is I'm going to massage. You can use your hands to massage if you don't have what I am using right now, a massage comb. So I have this, so I'm using this one. All right, see, it suits the scalp. Massaging your hair helps when it comes to blood flow. Blood is going to flow and blood is going to circulate very well. So you make sure whenever you apply all these things, you make sure you make sure to massage your scalp. You don't have to have what I am using. If you don't have it, your hands are there. You can use your hands to massage properly, just the way I'm doing in the video. Thank you so much. If you watch up to this point, please help me to subscribe if you've not done so already. Subscribe for more hair growth videos and give the video a thumbs up. Help me to share. Yeah.
Rachel style, Rachel style.
Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.